Every components are designed to be assembled and disassembled easily. The time frame will be determined by the workforce and installation time of each component. Since the nature of the building is designed to change constantly, supportive mechanism will also be the part of building utility to ease the work. Each unit will be granted a maximum of 6 grid to be expanded. Installation will start from the inner parts to the facades, so to avoid damage to the component during installation. Heavier components such as structural grid or hollow slab will be assisted by attachment that mounts on the upper structural frame. Every component are designed to be mechanically joined instead of chemical joined, so dismantle and relocation process will be made easier when the demand shifts, without causing damage to the material, therefore no disposal. Smaller components will have a simpler connection that can be assembled by the user when it is just a minor alteration. Circuit system is also designed into a series of modules that can be connected in the form of grids to simplify and shorten the wiring work too.